Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will tell you about Clickfunnels pricing. So yes, if you are looking for what is Clickfunnels price and what are the plans of Clickfunnels that have, then guys this video is for you. In this video I'll tell you exactly what is the price of Clickfunnels or what are the plans that Clickfunnels have right now, guys. Right? So basically, if you go to their Clickfunnels official website, then you will not be seeing any plan there, right? So actually when you go to official website, you will be seeing that yes, start free 14-day trial now, guys. Right? So this is the button, guys, right? But they have their two plans right now. One is $97 per month plan and another one is $297 per month plan. We call it Etison Suit, guys. Right? So right now they have their two plans. One is $97 per month plan and another one is $297 per month plan, guys. Right? So yes, they are giving you 14 days free trial, right? You can check out what Clickfunnels is all about, right? And how Clickfunnels gonna help you, so you can taste the water of Clickfunnels, guys, within 14 days, right? And yes, like if you don't like Clickfunnels, then yes, you can cancel Clickfunnels anytime. You just need to send them emails like support@clickfunnels.com or billing@clickfunnels.com, right? So yes, you can send emails to cancel your account, right? And yes, there is also option inside the Clickfunnels. Let I show you by going inside my Clickfunnels account. By the way, if you don't know what is Clickfunnels, then simply I tell you that Clickfunnels is a software through which you can create your landing page or squeeze page, or you can create any type of funnels. Like if you want to create any product launch funnel, webinar funnel, a membership site funnel, right? Or free plus shipping funnel. So yes, with the help of Clickfunnels, you can create the funnels in any niche or in any business that you can imagine, guys. Right? You don't need to have any coding knowledge or Java knowledge or any HTML knowledge, guys. Right? Guys, you know that I'm non-techie guy. I'm not a technical guy, right? I'm just layman. I'm just new. But with the help of Clickfunnels, I can create my two steps funnel. As you know that I'm affiliate marketer, right? Affiliate marketer. So with the help of Clickfunnels, I can create my landing page, right? Or squeeze page, bridge page, right? I just need to simple drag and drop, guys, right? So let I show you my funnel that I have created with the help of Clickfunnels. So actually I'm subscriber of their $97 per month plan, right? So with that plan I get 20 funnels, right? Mean to say I can create 20 funnels and I get 100 pages. But with their $297 per month plan, you get unlimited pages, right? And you can create unlimited funnels, guys, right? So let I show you by going inside my Clickfunnels account how it looks. So you can see that, right? Right now I'm into dashboard of Clickfunnels, that with the help of us I have created my funnels. Right now I have created you can see these are the funnels that I have created, right? I show you one of the funnel through which that I'm promoting one funnel away challenge, right? Let I show you. So this is my one of the funnel that I have created with the help of Clickfunnels, right? So yep, guys, as I told you, you can see it's a simple drag and drop funnel builder, right? So you don't need to have any coding knowledge or JavaScript knowledge, right? You can create any funnel anytime you want, right? So you can see, so this is the funnel that I have created, right, with the help of Clickfunnels, right? So this is my one of the funnel, right? And there is another funnel that I have created. I'll show you. actually this is the funnel, right, where I'm offering my free book, right, and that I have created with the help of Clickfunnels, guys, right, and it looks good, guys, right. You can see that, guys. So this is the book that I'm offering, and this is the funnel that I have created with the help of Clickfunnels. You can see that, and it looks good, guys, right. So you can see, right. So guys, you can see it's a very useful tool, right. So you can see it's a pop-up, right, and it's my name and my email, and if I click on that button, then that very person will be taken to the bridge page where I'm offering my affiliate offer, and that is one funnel away challenge, guys, right. So you can see that, guys, I have created this bridge page with the help of Clickfunnels, right. You can see that, and you can see my offer, or you can see my bonuses that I'm giving away if someone joins one funnel away challenge through my link, right. So guys, as an affiliate marketer, I only need 2 steps funnel, landing page plus bridge page. That's it. That's all I want, right. So I was looking for a tool that is easy to use, right. So I found Clickfunnels is the best tool that I can use for my affiliate marketing business. Earlier to that, I was using lead pages, right, but I found Clickfunnels is the best tool, guys, right. So by the way, if you want to use, or you can say if you want to try out this Clickfunnels, then yes, down below I'm putting the link, right, so that you can try this Clickfunnels for 14 days trial, absolutely free, guys. You don't have to pay anything, right, and yes, you can cancel it out anytime you want, but yes, there is no harm to try this Clickfunnels for 14 days, guys, for absolutely free, guys, right. And yes, guys, if you join Clickfunnels through my link, I will give you my bonuses, like I will give you .com secrets book. Yes, I have this one, right. So I will give you this .com secrets book absolutely free, guys, right, when you join one funnel away challenge through my link. Plus I will give you my personal coaching, right, and I will give you my full support, plus I will give you my Clickfunnels training, right, that you can watch, that where you will be learning everything about how to create funnels, right, how to create landing page, how to integrate your autoresponder with your funnel, guys, right. So it's you can say training, full packed training, where you will be learning everything about Clickfunnels, guys, right. So yes, these are the bonuses that you will be getting when you join Clickfunnels through my affiliate link, guys, right. So guys, you can see that I have created this bridge page, right, with the help of Clickfunnels, guys, and it looks good, guys, right. So you can see so here on this bridge page, I'm promoting one funnel away challenge, guys, right. By the way, if you want to join one funnel away challenge, guys, then yes, these are the bonuses that I will be giving to someone who joins one funnel away challenge, guys. If you want to learn how to start your online business, then yes, this one funnel away challenge is also for you, guys. This is a one of the best training that I have gone through personally, guys, right. Yes, I'm also putting the link of this training so that you can check it out, right. So yep, so guys, I hope so you know that what is Clickfunnels price, right, what plans Clickfunnels have. One is $97 per month plan, and second one is $297 per month plan. We call it Etison Suit, guys. So it comes with as I told you, unlimited pages and unlimited funnels, guys, right. So and with $97 per month plan, you get 20 funnels, plus you get 100 pages, right. By the way, right now they have one good offer when we call it I love Clickfunnels, right. So I'm just going to put the link so that you can check out that offer, where if you join Clickfunnels, they are going to give bonuses over $5,000, guys, right. So you can check out when you join Clickfunnels, guys, right? So I'm just going to put the link so that you can check out all the bonuses that you will be getting when you join Clickfunnels, guys, right? So yep, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, if you have any questions, then please do let me know. I will personally help you, right, guys? And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because on alternate day basis I put out some great training that is related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, then yes, join my channel, guys, right? So down below there is a button subscribe, so hit that button, and so that you can get the notification of my future videos, guys, right? So yep, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.